Hi, this is Suzanne from SL Crafts, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble my flower-topped Favour box. Okay, so once you have everything cut out, you need to fold and burnish all of the score lines on this piece. Then apply some glue to this side tab and attach it to the other side, lining it up along that score line, and press it down. Then glue these 3 tabs here, and attach them to the base, again making sure that it's all lined up. Then press it down from the inside. Then take this square piece and glue this into the base. So this is going to hide those tabs and really help to strengthen the base. Now for the lid piece, you need to fold and burnish all of the score lines. Then apply some glue to one of the corner tabs and line it up like this so that it's nice and square. Then do the same with the other 3 corners. Now I'm just going to press all of those down, and then the lid should fit perfectly onto the base. Now for the ribbon, there are these 2 long pieces, and I'm going to glue one of them here. Lining the end up with the top of the box. Then wrapping it around the base, just pinching it at the corners, and then up onto the opposite side. Any excess can then be trimmed off. Now you could keep the box like this with just one ribbon piece, but I'm going to add the other one in exactly the same way. And once that's done, it should look like this. Okay, so I'm just going to find the back of the box, which is where the tab is, so that I know where the front is. Now for the label, there are 2 pieces. So there's the back piece here, and then the front piece. And I've added several layers of scrap card to the back, but you could use dimensional foam. And these go together like this. Now I've left the white label blank in the template so that you can stamp your own sentiment onto it. And when you glue it onto the box, just make sure that the lid is on so that you can get it roughly in the centre like this. Okay, so for the flower, there are these 7 pieces, and these are all going to need to be shaped like this with a bone folder. Or you could use a round pencil. And then for the smaller ones, I find that a cocktail stick works best. Then once that's done, you need to glue the small tab on this piece and join up the sides. Then do the same on the next 2 pieces. Then for this one, just gently roll it up and attach the small tab like this. And this last one just needs rolling up fairly tightly so that it's like a cone shape. You can press it against the cocktail stick here. Or maybe use some tweezers to hold it whilst it dries. Okay, now to assemble the flower, you need to take this piece and glue it just around the circle and position it like this so that the petals overlap and fill in the gaps. Then do the same with the next piece. Again, just filling in those gaps. And keep going. And I'm just trying to put the join in different places each time. Then once it's finished, it should look something like this. So the flower can now be glued to the lid. So I'm just going to try and get it in the centre. And there it is, finished. Now here's another one that I made. So I've not put the label on this one. And for this one, I added just one ribbon piece right around the box and added the label on top.